semo yobo erania emanyekanete buna call center international CCI yibone yegoro chinsemo chirichia 3 city kutoka mije kaunti ya Kiambu Ruto kukona kurense mini ngate biro bana gwetera senseme yinegera nyarego kino ubwate nabo no bwerani bwabwango asense ya Kenya ndate biro nyarego ikirana wika Kenya amagendro buna tokumanyigwa no muri kito joba maangi
tutafinya computer
Buna enchera eyemo Kenya amangana rengete obotumeki b'mitandao yekerero nigo murayibwense Dr. William Ruto abagawekerana asomo yegaboko igora egetuo kerengete amangana yoboereria Call Center International Global Call Center Omurayibwense n'abagagotogie omuroberi oyo nagoteba nochi gokonya abasai abange kwenyorera emeremo.
The single most and urgent challenge we have as a nation is millions of young people out of school, out of college, out of university, and they don't have an opportunity to work. And especially when they are hardworking, professional, efficient people of integrity. It weighs very heavily on me when you see thousands, hundreds of thousands, possibly millions of young people who, with talent, with energy, with knowledge, with skills, and yet they lack an opportunity to deploy those skills for the growth of our economy.
Nasegeta ababwatani koruwase chinsa chisiko kubeka enibo yabo imense icho ya Kenya asenge ncho nigo Kenya eko bali bagaligeria gukora obonchereri bwabo.
I commend CCI for establishing this great building here, and again for leading the way in not just doing what they are doing, but in encouraging other companies to come along and share with us the opportunities that exist.
Narwa eirabune serikali ya nebegete emeroberio yogo chigwechi amachiko elinde kwene kinga ekerengo gyenchinchera chekerero ngo kini wokere nabo igokorosi amabaga yemeremo wetania emilioni eyemo ase myaka 5 egocha.
That is why we must work consistently and persistently until we explore the full potential that this space has to offer. And as we have heard here, the space around BPO is big. And therefore, as Kenya, armed with our human capital, that space, we must take advantage.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.